Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to do a multi-Instagram post in Photoshop. One of my favorite photographers, Amin, he uses this a lot on his Instagram, and whereas some people think it's a waste that he's showing so many images on one post, whereas if he posts them individually, he could get more attraction. But I do think if you use it creatively, a really good way to showcase your work. That wasn't perfect, but I did it. Alright, first thing you want to do is obviously open up Photoshop, and you want to go to File, New. The height that you need for this is 1350, and the width is 1080 times the amount of images that you want to create. So on the multi-Instagram tool on Instagram itself, you can only have up to 10 images. So if you want to have 10, obviously you times it by 10 and add a 0. Or if you want to have 6, then you times 1080 by 6, which is 6,480. Boom, that's 6 images right there. For this demonstration, we're just going to do 10, and now here you are. You got a white long digital piece of paper. Next, what we want to do is come to View, New Guide Layout, and put in the number that you times 1080 by. So if you did 6, then you want to put in 6. If you times it by 8, you want to put in 8 because you want to get 8 images out of this. For this demonstration, we did 10, so we're going to put in 10, and make sure that you are at columns and the gutter is 0. Then once you're done with that, you press OK, and here you go. You got all the guides. So these are the individual images in between. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and so forth, so forth. Let's get one of Leo, shall we? Him being happily drunk. So that right there is the first image going into the second image. So let's get the second image. Let's get Dylan trying to throw a basketball. There we go. Let's put that a little bit into the first image. So it's part of the first image and the second image and the third image. So when you slide through, it becomes seamless. You feel me? Dylan and Anna. But for this one, this image is large enough to make, there we go, boom, perfect. So we've got the first image going into the second image. The second image is sort of an image by itself, but when you slide through, it goes into the third image, which then you see Dylan, and from there, it goes into the fourth image, which is, again, seamless. And then there's my finger as well, because I'm really bad at photography. We'll keep it like that for now, and then we'll just continue from there. Doing 10 images is a bit long, but usually if you do 10 images, obviously you want to fill everything up, and then you're finished. Once you've done that, come to here, the crop tool, and then you have the slice tool. Once you click the slice tool, you don't do anything to the image, you just come up here to slices from guides. Then there you go, it has a little tick above. It's like the first image, second, third, fourth, blah, blah, blah. Then you come to File, Export, Save for Web. So and then you want to save. Obviously you want to save it where you normally save it. And once you've saved it, it's all done. And there you go, boom. You got your images right here. There you go. So you got a little bit of the second image in there. You go forward, forward, forward. Okay, let's get that into Instagram, and then I'll show you how it really looks. Then obviously once you're here, you will click the first image, then go press the little multi-tool thing. Press the second, then third, then fourth, and then go next, next, and then preview it. Yeah, 10% battery. Then preview it here, and then you should be good. You can just slide through, boom. Third image, fourth image. It's just all seamless. It's like it's all the same thing in it, bruv. That looks so good. That looks so good. It's not my best work for this tutorial, but it's just to show you what's up, what you can do, and stuff like that. I have done some of my own ones on my Instagram, 3 of them actually, which I will put up whenever. And yeah, they're just a good way to show off your work creatively. Yeah guys, if you have learned something, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't, let me know in the comments below. Tell me what I've done wrong. But yeah, I will see you next time in the next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, let me know what's up, like the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Woo!
Yours. Yeah, I'll ride for you. I'll do all of the things. how much you